Hey, what's going on here?
What's going on here?
He was losing his head.
Right, lads, I've been asked to come here today to play Martin, a security man, and we're here to wind up Rhian Brewster. So what is it you want me to do? What's the score?
Thanks for coming here for a shoot with NordVPN, and usually if we're late for these we get fined. I'm going to be in the van. Joe, you act as if everything's normal.
Make sure you get in his head and wind him up.
So I reckon I can do that.
I think he'll be steady to start and then he'll get more and more annoyed. He'll bite for fun then.
See you in a bit. Enjoy. Hi lads, you okay? Are you for Liverpool?
Yeah.
Yeah, if your name's down, you're alright. Joe Gomez.
Yeah. Rhian Brewster.
No. Have you not got a pass? Have you got a pass?
Yeah.
How come you haven't got a pass? I'll just phone my boss and I'll see what the score is. Security's dead strict. You know, with Brexit and all that, it's just you know. Phone's a voicemail. Hi Greg, I've got 2 young lads here in trackies. One's got a pass and one hasn't. So if you can get back to me as soon as possible. Cheers mate, ta-ra. No, we must have popped out. The only thing I can suggest is that because you've got access, you go upstairs. If you can get a pass for the young lad, and I'll get you in. Sorry? No, I have 6 meals a day, mate. Bodybuilder. Yeah, so I've got to be careful what I eat, so that's to be macros, that. Be as fast as you can, mate.
Yeah, I'm not happy as well.
So what's your name?
Rhian Brewster.
Rhian.
Yeah.
Have I met you before?
No, maybe.
Were you in Pontons last year? With your mum and dad? Easter extravaganza. Were you there?
Maybe.
I've seen you before. Rhian. Rhian.
Yeah, Rhian Brewster.
Is that a girl's name?
No, unisex.
Unisex?
Yeah.
So it's like a male version of Rihanna?
Probably.
So Rhian, what is it you're doing today?
I think we're doing lines for LFTV.
Yeah. Nice. Where are you from?
Me, London.
London? Going to London next week. Yeah. Yeah. Be good. I'm just going on my own. I just like to go on little weekends away. Do you ever go on any of them online dating apps?
Nah.
That's all I do all day on here. Bit of a cougar that one, isn't she? Yeah, what do you reckon, Ryan?
No.
I'm older than you, remember? Pass me a picture. What do you reckon? I just thought I'd show a little bit of, you know what I mean?
Ah.
You're a trainee, like an apprentice?
No.
No. Was you an apprentice?
No.
So if the players like kick the ball over the fence, would they send the apprentice to go and get it, that type of thing?
You don't really have apprentices.
No.
Keep on does it.
No. I need you to stay close, you know, mate. I could do with you sitting down.
Where?
Why? They're just dead tight with security. They're just like, because if they're watching upstairs on the camera and you're wandering around, they're going to pull me and say, what's going on? Who's this lad? It's my first day on the job. I've got to be dead careful. Do you know what I mean? You're on Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your name on Instagram?
Rhian Brewster.
Brewster. You got a lot of followers there. Did you buy them? That's weird, that. Hi, Greg, you okay? Oh, right, okay. Yeah, so just get him to fill that form in. All right, then. Ta-ra, mate. So, How do you spell your name?
R-H-I-A-N.
R-H-I-A-N.
First of the fourth.
What's your birthday soon? Oh. How are you, mate? Serrano. Reason for visit?
On TV.
You're on TV. Contact number? 079. National insurance number? You don't know your national insurance number? What happens if you claim job seekers allowance or something like that?
No, I don't need to know.
Okay, what's your mum's maiden name? What was the street you grew up on?
No.
Road. What's your first pet's name?
Branston.
Like the pickle?
No, Vincent.
Hey, what's going on here?
what's going on here?
What's going on here?
I tell you what, you're a cocky little one, aren't you? Hey.
He was losing his head.
Yeah,
I saw something moving in the car. I was gonna say something, but I just didn't. Is it you? Yeah. I thought it was a dog or something. Oh my god.